Welcome to your ultimate guide on creating viral historical videos without the need for expensive equipment or a large production team. In this video, you'll learn how to use two powerful AI tools. Why is the historical niche so popular? It's simple. History taps into curiosity and emotion, creating an irresistible blend of storytelling and visuals. Here are 3 reasons why historical videos often go viral. Timeless appeal. Unlike trending topics, history remains relevant forever, giving your videos a longer shelf life. Emotional resonance. Stories about revolutions, discoveries, or mysteries evoke strong emotional responses. High engagement. Viewers love sharing and discussing historical facts, boosting your content's visibility. Lately, these historical YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok videos are getting millions upon millions of views. Despite being easy and simple to make, these two YouTube channels have absolutely blown up, going from 0 to 200,000 plus subscribers in 5 months, and that's only by telling stories of historical figures using the power of AI. And these videos are actually insane. In this video, I will show you how to recreate these videos so you can attract some views across the social media platforms. Let's first take a look on these channels' analytics. This channel right here is getting 50 million views every month with these types of videos. That's about 20,000 in ad revenue. And this other channel is getting 20 million views every month, which equals around 8,000 in ad revenue. If you keep watching until the end of this video, I'll show you more ways to make money from these kinds of videos, so stay tuned. For this video, we'll need a few things. I'll explain 2 methods for doing this. The first method involves using ChatGPT. You can visit the ChatGPT platform and ask it to write about the main idea of your video. To increase your chances of success, I recommend using the second method. First, choose a video that you like and copy its URL. Then, go to the website, TubeMagic, and use their transcribe feature to convert the spoken words in the video into text. After that, head back to ChatGPT and ask it to rephrase that text for you. This way, you will have a script that's ready and optimized to have a better chance of going viral on the platform you're using. You can create multiple scripts by using this method. After you got your first script, give ChatGPT prompt to create another script. ChatGPT will create another script for you. By doing this, you can create as many scripts as you want. I'm leaving the links to the tools I'm using and the prompt for you to use in a Word doc link in the description below. And here is the final script we made, suing ChatGPT and TubeMagic. Now it's time to bring it into reality. For that, we will use Invideo AI tool. Invideo AI v3 just recently launched, and they've been actually able to bring into the live product generative AI video generation features. Now what that means is you will be actually able to prompt Invideo AI and get a fully custom and finished video out at the end. So you will be able to create any video that you want from scratch that you can just think of. Now this is really amazing because obviously when it comes to more traditional video editing software, there's a really steep learning curve to it. So if you are just starting out, you might find it super difficult to actually bring what you have in your mind into reality. And now, with Invideo AI's generative AI features as well, it's not going to be an issue, right? Whatever you have in here, you will be able to put into actual video, which is insane if you think about it. Now there have been some other AI generation video softwares in the news is by recently like Sora AI or Runway. But let's be real, like they've never actually come out so far. So like we are not able to just start using it. And also they are only going to be for now generating like little clips. They won't be able to create like full-on comprehensive videos with voiceover and all of that stuff, which is something that Invideo AI is going to be able to do and is already able to do. So whether you are a small business owner, a creator, or a thought leader of any kind, and whether you want to create marketing material or social media posts, or even just like do your passion project and you need to create some stuff for it, some videos, while Invideo AI is going to be able to help you do that. And this is especially for you if you have a ton of ideas, but you just didn't know how to actually create them in the traditional video editing softwares and how to bring it into life. Invideo AI is going to be able to do it by simply prompting this software, and it's going to spit out a finished product for you at the end, which you can still tweak, of course, but you don't need to have any sort of like crazy editing skills to be able to do that. And again, this is not just going to be able to create clips for you and little assets, but full-on videos that you can actually publish as well if you want. And now you can actually prompt the AI and it will do it for you. Now, what I want to do in this example here is I want a historical video. So I'm actually going to want to make like a 1-minute video. I will click on Use My Script option because this feature allows you to use your own script. After this, paste your script here. In Settings, select Background Music. I will select Dramatic, select Language, add subtitles if you want to. At number 4, select the voice of male or female. It totally depends on you. At number 6, select Only Generated Media. And on last number 7, select Use the best audio available. You can also change the style into different ones. There are many options. And now click on Generate Video. After this, select the generative media. Now you can see here in the actual settings you can add in whether you want only generated media. I have selected generated media. After this, select visuals to realistic and audiences history buffs, and platform is YouTube. Click continue and your viral historical video is ready. It will take some time. After a few minutes your video will be ready. And here is the result we got.
Did you know short people could not be arrested in ancient China? In 200 BC, the Emperor Qin Shi Huang was just 4 feet 11 inches, a true short king. According to his 18 laws of Qin, you had to be as tall as him to be considered an adult, which meant shorter men could easily plead as children. At the time, birth records were incomplete, and verifying one's age was impossible, so the emperor used height instead. But if you passed his height test, you had to be super careful of your emotions. The same Qin laws prohibited men from crying. It was seen as a sign of weakness, and if you were caught shedding tears, your beard and eyebrows were shaved off as punishment. Now this will blow your mind, but for women, the Qin dynasty started one of the weirdest crying rituals in history. Every single woman had to cry 1 hour every day for 30 days before their marriage, and she would not do this alone. The mother had to join her for 3 weeks, the grandmother for 2 weeks, and finally aunts and sisters for 1 week. It was a necessary display of affection for her family.
I want to also show you guys a couple of different examples of what Invideo AI v3 can do. Because obviously I'm going to show you one example in this video, but it really doesn't do it justice to how many different things you could create. A storytelling use case where it created literally a 2-minute YouTube video based on a blog link.
I've seen some dark stories in my time, but this one's gonna chill you to the bone.
Now here's another example of a 30-second ad about a Coca-Cola advertisement that's basically a strawberry flavor one.
Imagine the sweetness of summer, combined with the refreshing taste you love. Introducing Coca-Cola Strawberry, a flavor explosion that'll make your taste buds dance. Every sip is a journey to strawberry feel.
So this is the one that it created for that. Obviously, all of this is completely AI generated, so there can be some little mistakes in it, and it's not going to be obviously absolutely flawless. But if you just think about it, like as long as you can use most of the clips, how much cheaper is that than actually going into like whole video studio and filming all of these clips separately? Now, again, I'm not saying it's going to be always flawless, like absolutely not, but just how far we've come, even compared to a couple of years ago. And this technology is only going to get way better every single month moving forward. So I'm really excited, to be honest, to see where it goes. Here's another use case as well for a TikTok shop video.
Meet your new secret weapon against stress.
I'm just going to pop up another one where it's just basically like a spirituality video about the Dalai Lama explaining moksha to a beginner.
Of a noir-tinged city, a seeker wanders, searching for answers to life's deepest questions.
Again, absolutely sick how it generated like this entire video from nothing about Dalai Lama. Here's another one for a product ad about candles in a soft anime style.
In a world of chaos, find your peace. With Oni Scent, handcrafted candles.
So this is just to give you some more context, right? About how many different kind of directions that you can go in with this technology and how many things it could be used for. Invideo AI is a powerful video creation tool that uses artificial intelligence to streamline and simplify the video making process. It's designed for content creators, marketers, and businesses looking to produce professional quality videos without requiring advanced technical skills or heavy investment in expensive software. Invideo AI can transform text scripts into engaging videos within minutes. Simply input your script, and the tool will generate a storyboard, suggest relevant media, and assemble your video. With thousands of customizable templates, Invideo AI provides a head start for various video genres, including promotional videos, tutorials, and social media posts. The AI suggests video clips, images, and audio tracks based on your script or keywords, ensuring that your video aligns with your content's theme and tone. Users can easily adjust text, colors, fonts, transitions, and animations to match their branding and preferences. Invideo AI offers realistic AI voiceovers, allowing you to create videos without recording audio manually. This is ideal for creating faceless videos or content for diverse audiences. Teams can collaborate seamlessly with built-in editing and feedback tools, making it easier to finalize videos. Invideo AI supports multiple languages, catering to global audiences and making it ideal for international campaigns. I'm leaving the links to the tools I'm using and the prompt for you to use in a Word doc link in the description below. That's it for today. If you like this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.